Hey, Granddad, I fixed you something to eat.
Hey, baby girl, you feel Granddad something to eat?
Yes, sir, I got you something
So
to eat.
what it did now?
That's some rotel dip.
Rotel, that's all y'all young folks now do is fit rotel and make tacos. I want some food now. Granddad was a food now. Y'all Granddad touch it right. You making this old rotel and I was a Granddad was a food. Granddad don't want this. This ain't no food.
Well, Granddad, tell Grandma to cook you something to eat then.
I would tell my wife to cook me something to eat, but she mad at me now. She might put something in it. I didn't tell what she gonna do to Granddad. I might not wake up in the morning. But I appreciate you cooking it up. But baby girl, you gotta learn how to cook some map. You want to keep a mind now. You ain't gonna keep no man cooking tacos and rotel dip now. You know, my man he wants soul food now. Don't do Granddad like that. You're wrong now. Don't do Granddad like that. You're wrong now.
Well, Granddad, ain't gonna hurt your teeth, is it?
Hey, I hope it don't. All this old hard stuff you gotta be here. Granddad, you so soft now. Don't do Granddad like that now.
I'm sorry, Granddad.
I appreciate it though, baby girl, but just learn how to cook some meal now. You know, besides tacos and rotel dip. You know, you'll keep a man a lot longer, you know.
All right, thank you for the advice, Granddad.
All right, you're welcome, baby girl.